Hey guys, Harry here. Just a very quick video to show you how to fit one of our range extenders. This is our newly designed range extender battery that fits on the bottle cage holders on your frame. Here's a few things you'll need. Obviously the range extender and the bracket that comes with it, but also 2 washers and 2 bolts, which are included in the range extender pack, and a 3mm Allen key. Here's how we do it. So I'm assuming you've taken off the bolts on the frame. To do that you need a 4mm Allen key. You won't need this again. We're moving on to a 3mm Allen key, which should be in your multi-tool that came with the bike. So the bracket that comes with the range extender is directional, so there's an arrow facing forwards. So very simply that goes over the bolts there. The 2 bolts sit in the top and the washers sit underneath. You could do these one at a time, or you can do them all together if you've got a steady hand. So these sit over the bolts like that, and then you can just screw them in by hand to begin with so that they get in place. And then it's just a case of the 3mm Allen key tightening those up. So you'll notice that there's a bit of movement on the bracket. If you can push that as far forward as possible, it will just help give you a bit more clearance over the hinge clamp. So I'm tightening these bolts up sequentially, one at a time, and then back to the original one. Just hand tight is fine. They shouldn't go anywhere. I'm not giving these a crazy amount of torque. That bracket's firmly in place. Okay, so once the bracket's in place, the range extender battery itself is directional. You'll see that the port for the battery cable is down one end of it. Make sure that's facing the saddle, and then it's a case of sliding it into place on the bracket. When it clicks, it's firmly in place. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's not sliding around, and there you're good to go. Okay, so if you've run out of battery on the road and you need to plug the range extender in, you know this already, but unplug from the seat post battery, pull the cable up on the left-hand side of the bike, non-drive side, and connect it into the range extender. So easy as that, really. If you want to check the health of the battery, just press this button on the front. If you hold it down, it will tell you how many bars of battery you have left on. There's the USB charger there for your phone or whatever else you want to charge, and the charging port for the range extender is at the bottom.